Hi students, in this video I would like to discuss about trans effect. So which is a concept, important concept from coordination chemistry. So let us see what is the definition of trans effect. So ability of an attached group to direct substitution into position trans to itself is known as trans effect. Shall we read once again? Yeah. So ability of an attached group to direct the substitution into a position trans to itself is known as trans effect. Simply we can understand like this. So this is an ability of an ligand in coordination complex to direct incoming ligand either in the trans position or in the cis position. Okay, yeah. So generally trans effect will be observed in square planar complexes. So let us take one square planar complex here. So tetrachloroplatinate 2. Generally, fourth coordination platinum complexes are in square planar geometry. So one of the chlorines can be replaced by ammonia, then you will get this chloroamino complex. In order to replace one more chlorine by ammonia, you have two choices. Now, this ammonia can replace this chlorine and produce cis isomer, or this can replace this chlorine and get trans isomer. Okay, so getting either cis or trans isomer depends on trans effect of ligands. The ligand which is having highest trans effect will keep incoming group or incoming ligand in the trans position. So in order to understand what compound or what isomer you are getting in the product, first you should know trans effect of the various ligands. Let's see the definition of trans series. So descending order of trans effect of various ligands is called as trans series. Got it. So let us see the trans series here. Trans series Cn minus is having highest trans effect, then CO, then NO, then C2H4 and so on. Okay, so if you look at far end, you will get ammonia, OH minus and H2O. So H2O is having very least trans effect. So by looking at this trans effect series, we can get either cis isomer or trans isomer. If you look at here, so initially one chlorine is replaced by ammonia. Now second chlorine should be replaced. In order to replace second chlorine, we have two directions. So this ammonia can displace this chlorine or displace this chlorine. If this replace this chlorine, you will get cis isomer. If ammonia replace this chlorine, you will get trans isomer. See, so it depends on trans effect of the existing ligands now. So ammonia is there and chlorine is there. So which is having highest trans effect? Check here. So if you look at trans effect series, chlorine is here, ammonia is here. That means the chloride ion trans effect is more than ammonia. Then the ligand which is trans to chlorine will be replaced. So this is the chlorine, this is the so the chlorine which is opposite to another chlorine will be displaced by this ammonia. Okay, then you will get cis isomer only. So this will be displaced, then you get cis isomer. So let's go for one more example to understand further. So now I have taken here tetraiminoplatinum complex. Initially one ammonia is displaced by chloride ion, then you are getting triamino chloroplatinate like this. Then further another chloride should be filled in the complex. So after this, one more chloride should be incorporated inside this complex. Now again we have two choices to displace ammonia, isn't it? So chlorine can go here or the chlorine can go here. If chlorine goes here, then you will get cis isomer. If chlorine goes here, you'll get trans isomer. Again, here also it depends on trans effect of ligands. Already we have studied that. So chloride has more trans effect than ammonia. Therefore, the ligand which is opposite to chloride will be replaced. Got it? That means this ammonia will be replaced. Then you will get trans isomer. This is chlorines are opposite here, ammonia ligands are opposite here. This is a trans isomer. In above case, we got cis isomer. That is how we have to understand. Shall we see one more example? Yes. It only depends on trans effect of the ligands only. I have taken one complex like this, which contains 3 chlorines, which are good leaving groups, one NO2 group. So one more NO2 group should be incorporated inside complex. So now we have two choice to get either cis isomer or trans isomer. This NO2 minus can go here or this can go here. If it goes here, you will get trans isomer. If it goes here, you will get cis isomer. Okay? Yes. So when you look at trans series, NO2 minus has highest trans effect than ammonia. Ammonia is here, NO2 is here. So NO2 minus has highest trans effect than chlorine. Even for chlorine also, when you compare with chlorine is where? Yeah, here. So NO2 minus has highest trans effect than chlorine and ammonia. So look at here. So then, since it is having highest trans effect, the opposite ligand, this chlorine, will be displaced by NO2 minus. Then what would happen? You will get trans isomer. So I have taken one more complex to understand more and more. So triiodoamine complex. Okay. Again, you compare trans effect of these ligands, which is having highest trans effect. If you look at the trans effect series, iodide ion is having highest trans effect than ammonia. Then the iodine, which is opposite to another iodine, will be displaced. Okay, since iodide has more trans effect over ammonia, so iodide, which is opposite to another iodide, will be displaced by another ammonia molecule. Then ammonia will be attached here. Then you are getting cis isomer. So that means first you should clearly understand what is the definition of trans effect and descending order of various ligands of trans effect. So if you are able to remember this trans series, descending order of trans series of various ligands, automatically you can understand easily which complex will be coming in the product side. Thank you students. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe. So next video I would be discussing extra questions from NEET purpose and JEE purpose. Thank you.